your focus is really true?
Our focus basically is to build startups in connection and co-creating them with innovators, entrepreneurs, and investors from all over the world. Bring them to Saudi Arabia and create like scalable startup that can tackle the sustainability challenges and the ambitious objective for Saudi Arabia when it comes to sustainability, circular economy, and to become a leading hub for sustainability development in the region and in the world as well.
Okay, amazing. And for you, as a founder, as a CEO, where do you see the most pressing problems in Saudi Arabia? Like, what technologies or what sectors do you want to really focus the next 2 years, for example?
Saudi Arabia has very high ambitions when it comes to carbon emission. We are targeting now to reach, actually we are committed to reach net zero by 2060. This is on a national level. On a corporate level, on the other hand, big companies in Saudi Arabia has committed to reach net zero by 2050, including Aramco, Sabic, Ma'aden, and PIF, which consider are the major companies in Saudi Arabia. That's in terms of carbon emission mitigation. At the same time, we have very high ambitious objectives when it comes to waste management and recycling. We are targeting to diversify waste from landfill by around 85% by the year of 2035, which is a huge objective. Also, we are planning to, actually we are committed, and which was announced more than once by His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, that Saudi Arabia will be planting around 10 billion trees in Saudi Arabia. In addition to all the major targets on a regional level, which is also led by Saudi Arabia under the Middle East Green Initiatives as well.
So we would probably say that the main sectors that you're actually focusing on waste management, as well as agriculture and like carbon emissions, and I guess infrastructure, because that comes all together with. I also have a question, because I work with a lot of international companies that are well established and they have amazing entrepreneurs, leaders, and they are basically PhD degrees, and they have 30 years track records in their industry. They have a concept company that works, but they want to expand here. They want to bring their technology here. How would you be able to help them achieve their goals to expand in the region?
So basically we are a venture builder at this stage, and hopefully during the year we will be also establishing a venture capital fund focusing on sustainability investing. But part of our mandate is actually to look for innovators from all over the world and attract them to come to Saudi Arabia and build a joint startup together here in Saudi Arabia. We give them access to the market, we cover the operational expense until we validate the business for Saudi market. This actually reduce the time required to reach a validated business concept within Saudi market, especially that we are trying to build an ecosystem of enablers, including our partner Aramco, through which we will be able to have very quick access to pilot, test, and validate any products that we can bring on board in Saudi Arabia.
Great. So we can say that there is a lot of support by the government, by the Crown Prince, by the ecosystem, the private and public ecosystem. So we can definitely say that if you are an entrepreneur, a builder, a scientist, you have support to come and bring your idea to life in partnership with the government to help you obviously achieve your goals as entrepreneurs, as a scientist. But on the monetary side, you could also get support by affiliating to the program and be part of an amazing vision that, you know, there are so many places in the world that people want to do things, companies and governments, but they're not doing anything. They're just talking. So here we have seen the growth and the amazing commitment from companies like yourself. And congratulations again on this new venture. One last key takeaway. Why did you start Root Ventures? What's your why?
Actually, we have multiple whys. First, we believe that investing has to come with impact-driven purpose to make any investment, especially during these critical times in our existing.
Yes.
And at the same time, all these ambitious objectives that has been committed to through the government and the private sectors actually are also opening bringing many opportunities for investing and making impact at the same time.
Amazing.
And we believe that Saudi Arabia and the region, also the world, needs that kind of purpose-driven capital.
Yes.
Through empowering innovators and entrepreneurs that can actually help us achieve these objectives.
Exactly. So you hear it well. It's not the only. It's not the first time I'm hearing this. I've been walking around almost the whole hall, and most of the companies that I've spoken to have one mission: make Saudi Arabia great, and also help other people, other humans around the world to achieve their personal goals, ambitions, by helping them propel their visions, their dreams. So here we are, and hopefully this has been informative for you. If you're looking to enter the region, just let us know, and then we're happy to help.